How to use Live Wallpaper on iPhone. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, swipe down the screen from the top left corner. Now tap and hold the screen, and then click on Customize at the bottom of the page. Click on Lock Screen. Tap on this gallery icon. It will open up your gallery. Head over to Live Photo at the very top. It will show you all the list of the live photos that you have taken. From here, select the specific live photo that you want to set. Let me choose this one for now. Click on it. Now you can move and adjust this photo. Once you're ready to set, click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. You can see that the live photo has been added. So this is simply how you can use live photo on iPhone. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.